Want to turn your free time into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month, no experience needed. Whether you're a beginner or looking to add a new skill, these are perfect for you. Let's get started. First up is AI content generation. With the rise of AI tools, businesses are looking for experts who can use these tools to create high-quality content quickly. As an AI content generator, you'll use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to write blogs, social media posts, and more. Start by learning how to use AI tools effectively and how to edit the content to make it sound natural. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for AI-generated content, depending on the volume and quality. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to content agencies. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the content creation world. Next is data visualization. Businesses rely on data to make decisions, but raw numbers can be hard to understand. As a data visualization expert, you'll turn complex data into easy-to-read charts, graphs, and infographics. Start by learning tools like Tableau or Microsoft Power BI, which are widely used in the industry. Many companies pay $30 to $150 per hour for data visualization services, depending on the complexity of the project. To stand out, focus on storytelling and design principles. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses directly. With practice, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the tech and business world. Third is Amazon product listings. With millions of sellers on Amazon, standing out is crucial. As an Amazon listing expert, you'll create optimized product titles, descriptions, and images that drive sales. Start by learning about Amazon SEO and keyword research. Many sellers pay $50 to $200 per listing, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or reach out to Amazon sellers directly. With a bit of practice, you can build a reputation and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy writing and want to tap into a growing industry. Fourth is print-on-demand design. If you're creative and love designing, this skill is perfect for you. With print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Teespring, you can create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more without worrying about inventory or shipping. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator, which are great for creating designs. Many designers earn $5 to $20 per sale, depending on the product and platform. To get started, create a portfolio of your designs and promote them on social media or through your own store. With a bit of creativity and marketing, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Finally, let's talk about logo design. Every business needs a memorable logo to represent their brand, and if you have an eye for design, this skill is perfect for you. As a logo designer, you'll create unique and professional logos that help businesses stand out. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva, which are great for creating vector-based designs. Many clients pay $50 to $300 per logo, depending on the complexity and your experience. To stand out, focus on understanding branding principles and creating designs that align with your clients' visions. Well, you can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or Behance, or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose AI content generation, data visualization, Amazon product listings, print-on-demand design, or logo design, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Start small, keep learning, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.